Welcome to Crazy Time, the biggest win Crazy Time. That's it. Nice. Very nice. It's just the start of the session. 2 bonus rounds already. Pachinko on Crazy Time. Alright. Pick your flap, either green, blue, or yellow. Make your decisions. Decision time is all. 100x is the highest multiplier. Well, let's spin and let's see. Look at those penguins. They look wonderful. Yeah. We've got 10x on green, 15x on yellow, and a double on blue. And 200x is the highest right now. Let's spin it again. Let's go. Maybe another double would be pretty nice. Look at that. 200x from blue, 10x from green, and 15x on yellow. Very nice indeed. And we're back. Congratulations, 2,883 winners. Congratulations on that. Whoever got 200x, congratulations on that. Congratulations. Enjoy your winnings. Alright, bets are now closed. Good luck.
Dog slot. Last coin flip, 15x. 5x on a crazy time in a top slot. Well. Crazy time. Let's go. Inside my crib. Welcome everyone to the biggest wheel in the world, where we will be trying to earn biggest amounts of money. First things first, let's reveal the multipliers. Now, 5x top slot is being applied, and it is your turn. 3 plappers. It is green, blue, or yellow, whichever you think is gonna have the highest multiplier. You choose that one and hope for the best, right? That is what we want. So the highest possible multiplier this time around, 500x. That is a 250x, 75, and 800.
Oh wow! Look at that! I can't. Oh my day. Alright, let's go. This is too funny. Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. Welcome back to Crazy Time. With 3x as well. Oh wow. I need to take a breath for this. Like, this is crazy. 3x has been added to the wheel. Okay. Let's take a deep breath. We're doing great. Alright, pick your flapper. Either green, or blue, or yellow. Second bonus round in a row in this Crazy Time. Wow. Alright, our max multiplier is 600x. Let's go. Let's see what we get. Oh wow, 60x on green, 600x on blue, and 45x on yellow.
Flex. L-O-V-E. Pachinko with 5x on the top spot. I told you so. After some numbers, sun is shining. Sunday morning, rain is pouring. Not a Sunday morning, not raining, but it's 5. Or maybe it's actually raining this weather stuff. Let's see how it is. 5x to start with. 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 200s. I feel the pressure now. I know how it goes if you will not catch that highest one. But okay, let's try it. So, you have 1,000 extra chance. Good luck. I'm not sure about display. Do you stand a chance? I told you so. She was a fairy. She was a fairy. 1,000x. Very mindful, very demure. 3,180 minutes. I told you so. The highest one is here.